What is up? I'm Alfred, the man that designed our future. Let's continue the earthly branches interaction topic. The interaction here is so important that you need to understand in order to explain on the moving line. In the last video, I had explained about the 6 clash. The clash here means separation. So when there is a separation, there will be definitely a bonding on another side. As I always say, there is no absolute in this universe. Everything comes with yin and yang, always both sides. The word bonding is a topic that I'm going to be explaining in this video. It is the 12 earthly branches interaction for the combination. The combination is having a total of 6 groups like the 6 clash. It has 6 groups of interaction that being bonded together. The yin and yang characteristic of the 6 clash are the same. It's either one yang branches clash with another yang branch, or it's going to be a yin branch clash with another yin branch. That is why the universe tends to expel the same characteristic element. Just like a male are not attractive to another male, and female are not attractive to another female. Of course, I'm now mentioning the general universe rule. I'm not talking about something beyond ordinary. If something is not following yin and yang rules, it will never generate another yin and yang. That explains why same-sex marriage can never have a baby. However, you know that I'm definitely not referring to a man-made factor. The combination is a bonding. It is a yang branch that's going to bond with another yin branch. That is why it creates a much harmony environment. However, many people get the wrong idea about combination when doing the reading. This is normal as people will think that a combination means harmony. But in fact, it is not necessary to be harmony. I will explain this later. Let's see how we can learn this together with the palm mnemonic. As the earlier video, you already know that the 6 clash is the side opposite line. Now the 6 combo is in a horizontal line relationship. 子 water and 丑 water combo, yin wood and high water combo, 卯 wood and 戌 earth combo, 辰 earth and 酉 metal combo, 巳 fire and 申 metal combo, 午 fire and 未 earth combo. I've also explained a little bit about the 6 clash in the perspective of astronomical in this video. Also, if you don't understand how the palm mnemonic works, please go to this video and this video. Both clash and combo are not a figment from the imagination. Everything in earthly branches is derived from the astronomical. Let's explore a little bit about the combo in the astronomical view. You can watch this video too if you are interested to know about the linkage between the planets and the metaphysics. The theory and the application of 6 combo are derived from the Sun-Moon conjunction. The Moon has a conjunction and opposition side. So what are these conjunction and opposition? We all knew that the Moon orbits on Earth. At the same time, the Earth is orbiting on the Sun. When the Moon completes the orbit, there are 2 times that the Sun, the Moon, and the Earth will be at the same line. One time will be aligned from the Sun, the Moon, the Earth. And the second time, they will align with the Sun, then the Earth, then the Moon. When the align is at the first time, it's called conjunction. When you stare at the Moon from Earth position, the conjunction is a new moon. In the lunar calendar, it is the day 1 of the month. When these 3 planets align on the second time, it is the opposition. Whereas the opposition is the full moon, about day 15 to day 17 of the lunar Chinese calendar. Most of the time, it falls on the day 15 to day 16 on every month. So the Sun-Moon conjunction is the 6 combo. It means the day 1 of Zi month, the Moon will be at the Zi location, whereas the Sun will be at the Chou location. Both planets will be at the same longitude. And during day 1 of Chou month, the Sun will be at the position of Zi, where it will be again getting the same longitude with the Moon. So day 1 Yin month, the Sun will be at the location of Hai, same longitude with the Moon. The rest are following the rules. I have also heard about another saying regarding the 6 combo. The Zi water and the Chou earth that located at the ecliptic are having the same orbit to the Saturn. That is why Zi Chou will combine and then transform into earth element. Yin wood and high water orbiting simultaneously to the Jupiter. That makes Yin high combo that transform into the wood element. Mao and Xu orbits to the Mars. Therefore, Mao Xu combo transform into fire element. Then turn Earth on the Venus and it will transform into the metal element. Si Shen orbiting at the Mercury and therefore transform into water element. When Si and Shen are in combination, The last pair is Wu and Wei, which is the sun and the moon. This saying appears in many books and many paid courses as well. However, this is something coincident, and if you don't have a very strong foundation of the puzzle system, this saying will seem to be legit to you as well. In the genie puzzle system, 子丑 combo will not transform into earth element, and 四圣 combo will not transform into water element. However, this is about puzzle topic and we shouldn't discard it in this video series. What I want to tell you is, do not believe everything from the books, and to really master a prediction skill, my advice is to learn other subjects as well. You will get a truly big picture about a prediction when you're able to apply all this Chinese metaphysics into a single matter. There is also another saying like when the planet Saturn is on the location of Zi, the planet Jupiter is on Chou. Saturn is on Yin, Jupiter is on high location. Anyway, no matter how many sayings regarding this concept is not important at all for you to learn King Wen Oracle system. I just feel like sharing to you for some proper concept of learning to the prediction and giving you some bonus topic so that you having any chances to learn other, it will benefit you. Let's come back to the 6 combo. When you see 6 combo in the hexagram, from what you see, it is contrast to the 6 clash. It can be understood as a harmony bonding, but that is not necessary to be true. The basic concept is a connection, a link. It means a partnership or a cooperation. But a connection doesn't really mean harmony. You have to make this clear that being a harmony and being able to get connected are two very different ideas. Do not mix them up. This is another useful technique that I'm explaining to you here. For instance, you hate Mr. B very well, so you and Mr. B are in a clash relationship. On another side, you seems maintaining a good relationship with Mr. C, so both of you end up becoming a partnership. However, in real life, can a partnership in a disharmony environment? Can a partnership or a marriage hate each other? Definitely can, right? That is why you shouldn't read the 6 combo as harmony. Again, beware from what you read or learn about a King Wen resource that come from. In fact, 6 combo can be interpreted as bond that cannot be broken. So, what does it mean as a bond that cannot be broken? Have a thought about this with the real life situation. I can give you a hint here. It is definitely not to interpret as something good or bad. Good or bad always depend on the question and the circumstances. If you can get it right here, you are one more level up. If you carefully study the 6 combo interaction, you will definitely find something like this. A combo, which is the bonding, are not necessary to be the generating interaction. It does have a restriction interaction as well. You see from this chart, 子丑 combo, 卯戌 combo, and 四圣 combo. These 3 groups of 6 combos are in a restriction bonding interaction, whereas the rest of the 3 groups is in a generating bonding interaction. The generating and the restriction here is derived from the 5-element cycle of the earthly branches. If you can't get with me right now, it means you need to watch this video and this video, or else you will never understand the following series. So what is the generating bonding and restriction bonding means? Well, you can think it like this way. In reality, is that every couple will be in a good relationship? Some couple look after each other, whereas some couple hopefully his partner will be gone forever. Now you see how you could straight hit up the button if you read the prediction with the King Wen Oracle system. For the clash function, we can read the clash with a line clash or hexagram clash. Go to this video if you are not sure what I am talking. For the 6 combo, it again has an image that you can read from the hexagram as well. Line 6 combo is something similar like 小象 in the I-ching text, whereas the hexagram 6 combo is something like the 大象 in the I-ching text. I have explained the concept of 小象 and 大象 in this video, so make sure you check them out to learn how to apply this theory into the reading. That is a total of 8 groups of hexagram 6 combo. I have prepared a beautiful cheat sheet for you about 6 combo. Go to the website in the description area, click the link and download it. I've also mentioned about the hidden moving line in this video. 6 combo will also create another hidden moving line. I will explain this part later. In Chinese metaphysics, there are 2 different types of combo. One is the 6 combo that I am explaining right now. The other combo is the 3 combo. I will explain this in the coming up video. So if you enjoyed my video and learned something today, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share my video and comment down below if you have anything you wanted to know. I'll see you in the next video.